Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see apps for kids on Google Play Store. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Play Store, and then in here at the menu you can click on the kids at the top. Click on it, and then in here you can see many apps for kids, and in here you can browse by age. You can browse for age up to 5 age, and then 6 until 8 age, and then 9 until 12 age. You can choose and then you can browse by age. Maybe I wanna choose this one. You just click on it, and then in here you can see many apps for kids 6 until 8 age. Okay, and then so that's how to see apps for kids on Google Play Store. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.